Еден поранешен премиер и еден сегашен председател своевремено остварија краток телефонски разговор или на македонски кажано бомба, кој за прв и единствен пат беше пренесен во вчерашни новости. Во продолжение ја слушаме и гледаме бомбата која е на третото место според гледаност на социјалните мрежи.
Who is this?
Hello, Mr. Tom.
Who is this?
Mr. Tom, how are you doing? Here is Nikola from Macedonia.
Who?
I used to be a prime minister from Macedonia. No, Macedonia, ex-Yugoslavia, no to Greece. You can ask Melanie.
I don't know what you're saying.
Okay, I would like to congratulate you about the president and especially for the idea about the wall.
The what?
Wall.
I don't understand. Is it a dog?
No. Wall between the Mexico and United States of America.
Oh, wall. Okay.
Wall. Yeah. And I will build a wall around Macedonia here, around our country, but not for.
Yeah.
But not from the stone. You know, I will make it from gipskarton, kako se kaže? Not marble. Marble, it's something like marble, but it's much cheap. Looks like marble,
Okay, yeah.
but it's much cheaper. And no immigrants will come in, but most important, young people will no coming out. Hello? Se pekin. Se pekin ali. Vrtipak.